Okay, Jimmy Morris is tearing into this trailer. It's November 6th, I think, Wednesday. He said he's going to try to rattle it apart. What a nasty mess. I was going to have him pull a hole. There's a nice wood stove in there, an old cast iron stove, but he's in the wrong room. That's okay. He's going to move. He's using his backhoe to pull himself. Now he's going to poke the hole I want. Oh, this is too good. This is the way to tear a house down, I'm telling you. Now see, we're leaving the shed. It's a pole barn around this. The pole barn's in good shape. Make a great hay barn. He's being selective. Oh, he's smashing it down. There we go. He's going to move again. I gotta go get the stove.